Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tableau with Gaurav, and today we are going to talk about dashboard objects. So in order to create a beautiful dashboard, you have to use these all objects in order to create a dashboard. Okay, so yeah, so we will go one by one and understand each and everything. Okay, so let's start in Tableau itself. Everything I will use the sample superstore data for creating a dashboard. Okay, so in the left bottom you can see these options. Okay, so this is a dashboard object. Okay, and in the bottom you can see tiled and floating. So we'll start with these two things, tile and floating, and you can switch by clicking here. Let's start with floating. So by choosing floating, everything you will place in the dashboard container or sheets, uh, it will come as floating. Okay, then you can manually place the seat wherever you want. Okay, so this is a floating option. So mainly you can create a graph easily with the floating object. On the other side, on the tiled, when you place something, it will occupy the complete place in the tiled. Okay, so you, or when you put the other seat, it will take half of the place. So in the tile, every object will take the complete place. Okay, so in order to arrange, we need various container, horizontal, vertical. Okay, so I'll explain each everything by one. Let me clear the sheet. So first we talk about the text object. So if you want to provide a header will use this text box and we will place on the top. Okay, so the header is come, and you can format by clicking here, right click, and size, bold, color. Okay, and basically and let me explain the object first. Okay, so this is for text. If you want to place an image, you can put here and you can choose the image from your computer, on your system. Currently I don't want any image. Other object is web object. Okay, so you can put the URL www.google.com. okay, and you have this site here appearing, so you can put, okay, so you can put the web object in your dashboard. I don't need this, I'm removing it. Okay, the Tableau provide various extension. This is a web APIs. You can use web applications, you can use for various purposes, you can explore it by yourself. Like I have used couple of them. Like in order to download your data in Excel, there is a import extension, import all extension that you can use. Okay, other navigation, it's something. If you want to go one seat to another place seat, you can use a navigation button, and you can provide like edit button. Let me show you. So you want to navigate to sheet or dashboard, you can select here, you can provide an image. I am using the text button, but you can use the image button. Like sometime you can provide an arrow like this one, arrow in the image. Okay, like you want to go backward. Okay, so let's create a dashboard and you will understand better. Okay, so I will give you general idea. Like I want to create this kind of dashboard. Okay. And okay, so this is for header, and okay, and I'll header, and I'll keep my filters here, filters. Okay, and I'll put my I'll keep my line chart here in this place, line chart, and I want to keep my two charts here. Okay, one more thing, I'll provide a distance for the legend here. The legend will come here. Okay, okay, so let me show you everything. This is general idea I'm giving you. So first of all, I'll put a header. I'll keep my header separate from the entire dashboard. So whatever you want, demo dashboard. board. You can do formatting whatever you want and keep it simple for understanding. Okay, now what I want is I'll take a vertical container in the below this thing. Why I take the vertical container? Because I want to provide, you can see I want to provide my graph in a vertical manner in this way. Okay, and I'll put, I'll put horizontal container inside this so I can have this type of arrangement. So first I put a vertical container. Okay, inside that if I need I'll put the horizontal container. Okay, okay, so let me, currently we have vertical container. I want to put my, we have place. Okay, let me make it, and let me change the size so you can have better view. Okay, this is good to understand me. Okay, this is title. You can change the color from in the layout. Okay, background I'm keeping it like this way. Okay, and next, this is a line chart. Okay, I'm keeping the line chart here. Okay, and now I want below two charts, so I'm putting horizontal chart inside this chart. Okay, so you can see the blue highlighter will come wherever you placing your chart. So I want my chart inside this vertical container. Okay, now I want to put my one chart here. Wait, pie chart, not one, my map here. Okay, and along this the map chart I want to keep my other chart. Okay, my pie chart. Okay, and one more thing, you can see the chart is coming in this way. If you want to distribute the chart evenly, you can click here and then select your horizontal container. Then you will click on the distribute content evenly, so it will distribute the container evenly. uh, and if you want to distribute the container for this vertical chart as well, so let me show you. Let's click on the vertical, select vertical container. Now I'll select distribute evenly. Okay, so you can see the distribution is now evenly. Okay, Tableau automatically put your filters and everything here, but I want to keep my filters and parameters here. So I'll place a horizontal in the top, horizontal content in the top, and I'll place my filter and everything in this. Actually, you have to practice your by yourself to understand it more better. Okay. Actually, we have selected. You can see we have vertical content. In vertical content, we have selected distribute content evenly. That's why this three are coming in the same width. But I want a filter in a narrower width. Okay, so now I manually change my size. Okay. Now I'll do some formatting. I'll provide the border. You can see we have a beautiful chart. If you want to see the hierarchy, you can see in the here that inside the tile we have horizontal. In horizontal we have a tile, then vertical. So you can see the layout hierarchy here. Okay.